Hello, DWO Reborn supporters. Sausage here with your June development update. I know it's been a while. As everyone knows, we've kind of had to take the test server down. Because of that, the community hasn't really seen a whole lot of the changes other than the small previews. So the admin team wanted to share some progress updates with you. Since we changed over the Z client, some of the backend systems had to be redone, starting with the login server. As you can see here, all of the player save files were able to transition from the English client to the Z client straight over. This was ported straight from the old save file. All of the player data loads correctly from the save file on server. And as we load in, you won't see it here yet on the character preview, but all the gear set loads in perfectly. Player preview will come shortly. Another item that was fixed is the character creation bug. All facial and hair features currently render properly. Previously, if you remember, certain beards or certain hair sets would cause your player just not to render entirely, the character not to render entirely. You'd just be a blank space on the screen. That is fixed for every feature. Additionally, the wardrobe now immediately renders gear when it's equipped. If you remember, on the English client, we had to walk through a door to make the changes work. We were planning on fixing this. It's just easier to do on this client, so we went ahead and did it. It's a nice quality of life thing. Those changes are also saved after you load gear. So you'll see in a minute when I log out and log back in that the gear will still be equipped with the new gear. We also have the ability to make gear gender neutral, and I'll put a headpiece on here. That is a female headpiece on the male character just to show. It's a proof of concept more than anything on what we will have the ability to change. May or may not stay in long term, but it is going to be available in the next test server version for you. The GM team also had to put some significant time to work on ID discoveries. This is a lot of back-end stuff, but it's important. Easiest way to explain it is that there are both menu and object IDs and event IDs. They're all numerical in storage, 1 through 1,000, for example. Menu IDs are functionally the user interface or UI elements that the player interacts with. So buttons that a specific NPC or a furniture interface uses. Each one of those has a numerical number associated with it. Event IDs are functions that happen in the game. That event ID may correspond with it, may not, depending on what it is. Some of them are responses from those IDs. Some of them are other background processes, like opening up a battle map or create a guild. We had to click on every one of those individually, map out what the IDs associated with those actions are, and log them on a spreadsheet. This helps Whitecat basically find what network packets that are associated with those actions that we need to reverse engineer and which ones to prioritize. As an example, you'll see on here we were able to get the armory and the wardrobe working properly. We're also able to get the house storage IDs and place the system furniture. The system furniture needs to be placed so that when the battle server requests information like what weapons are equipped or what gear is on that player, it knows what it needs to load into the game. So we can't get anything working until the system furniture works, which is our upcoming priority. But you can see how we're already kind of making some progress there. And you're also getting a little battle preview here that we already shared on the YouTube page, but it figured it'd be nice to add here for everyone.